Balancing the Books, a guide to understanding financial harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that often pops up in both casual and professional settings: balance the books. This phrase is not just about literal books, but it carries a significant meaning in the world of finance and accounting. Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this expression, making it easy for English language learners to grasp and use confidently in their conversations. When someone says they need to balance the books, they're talking about a process in accounting. This involves reviewing the financial records of a business to ensure that all transactions are accurately recorded and that the total amount of money spent matches the total amount of money received. It's like making sure every penny that went out has been accounted for by every penny that came in, achieving a balance. The term, balance the books, dates back to a time when all financial transactions were manually recorded in ledger books. Accountants would literally sit down with these books at the end of a financial period to tally up the debits and credits. If both sides matched, the books were considered balanced. This practice is crucial for maintaining accurate financial health of a business. Balancing the books is not just an accounting task. It's a fundamental practice that ensures a business's financial integrity. By doing this regularly, businesses can detect discrepancies, prevent fraud, and make informed decisions. It's a way of confirming that the company is on solid financial ground, or if adjustments need to be made to stay profitable. With advancements in technology, balancing the books has moved from manual ledger entries to sophisticated accounting software. These programs automate much of the process, making it easier and faster to ensure financial records are accurate and up to date. However, the basic principle remains the same: ensuring that what was spent equals what was earned. We hope this video sheds light on what it means to balance the books, and why it's a phrase that's as relevant today as it was centuries ago. Whether you're running a business or simply curious about accounting terms, understanding this concept is essential. Thanks for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you navigate financial conversations with greater confidence. Remember, keeping a balanced approach to finances is key to success.